Hi, so right now I'm going to show you our Norwex cleaning paste. This is what we like to call elbow grease in a jar. It's made of all natural ingredients, but it has an amazing power to clean. So anything that you would need a lot of elbow grease for or really find yourself scrubbing like crazy to get off, we recommend using this cleaning paste. So like the bottom of copper pots that are, have turned really dark and gross looking, dirty sneakers. I love this in the shower to remove like those hard water stains, rust, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to use a Sharpie to write on this little board here. The cleaning paste is great at removing permanent marker, like scuff marks off the wall, all kinds of stuff like that. I used it to clean like door, you know how a door can get really gross kind of on the edge. I've used it to take that, grime off. It's really just an awesome product. So here's my Sharpie. So obviously you can see that's not going to come off. And so what I'm going to do is just open up my cleaning paste. Also, one of these jars lasts you a super long time. And I've got it wet in Viro here. I'm just going to kind of rub it on there and get some of the cleaning paste. Use that. This is a fantastic on stove tops, grease that's stuck on there and really, really hard to get off. This makes it a breeze. I'm just going to set this down so you can get a little bit better leverage. Some more cleaning paste here. So I'm a teacher, and so one thing that I have often is to clean up desks or tables, and I also have my own little kids, so when they accidentally write on things they're not supposed to, this is a great tool to take that right off. So you can see that took that right off. Easy peasy. So again, that's the cleaning paste. Highly recommend it.